PI with another polymer as a way to be able to tailor the Tg value of the particular polymer formulation. Specifically, blends of PBI with PEI or Altem were produced at various blend compositions that I will show on the next slide. Next slide, please. This slide shows Tg data or glass transition data for the various blend compositions that were produced. First, and probably most importantly, a single TG was observed for all the blend formulations. The position of the TG is in fact intermediate to the temperature for the two component materials. The occurrence of a single TG in all of these blends shows that miscible blends of the PBI and PEI have been produced for all the blend compositions that were studied in this particular case study and this work. Next slide, please. Summarizing the results of this last case study, then, all blend compositions show a single Tg value. As I already mentioned, the single Tg value indicates the production of miscible blends for all the blend formulas that were produced. For the blends of this case study, it is possible to have material with Tg values that range from about 213 degrees centigrade for the pure Altem material to approximately 434 or 440 degrees centigrade for the pure PBI material. As I showed on the last slide, by changing the blend composition, one can certainly tailor the Tg value and hence the HDT value of the blend to achieve a specific value that is dictated by the particular application for which a blend formulation will be used. Following up on that comment, it is possible to use the same two blend components to produce products that meet a range of requirements for various applications, and that effect can be achieved through the appropriate variation of the blend composition. And as I already mentioned, through the appropriate variation of the blend composition, one can actually vary the Tg over a range of approximately 200 degrees C or perhaps even more. Next slide, please. Now I would like to conclude the training with the statement of some general conclusions about high temperature polymers, as well as the mentioning of some references of high temperature polymers that I'm very familiar with from the polymer literature. Next slide, please. There are new applications which are constantly emerging and being defined for the use of the various high temperature polymers that we have discussed in the training today. Among the areas for these new uses are medical devices, electronics, and filtration applications. And under the general category of electronic applications, I should highlight the fact that as batteries, and all types of batteries fall into this category, as batteries are beginning to see applications in new environments such as electric vehicles, the high temperature performance that can be provided by high temperature batteries becomes a critical factor. So one of the big areas for which I'm seeing the possible selection of high temperature polymers right now is in battery applications, lithium ion batteries, and other types of areas. One specific area with